Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a classic Magnolia wreath. I love this wreath because it is great for any time of year, and I'm making it out of faux magnolia leaves so it will last forever. But these magnolia leaves look very realistic, so let's get going. The materials you're going to need for this wreath are a grapevine wreath base. This is a 14-inch grapevine. You can get different sizes to change the size of your wreath. And 2 bushes of magnolia leaves. And if you're wondering where I get all my materials, I have made a video on that recently and I will link it down below. You also need some hot glue. My favorite is linked down below. It's the only glue I use. And wire cutters. I will also link these below. These are the best I have ever used. Way better than anything you can get at the craft store. But yeah, these are the best. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to chop this up. We're going to cut it about that far. So we have 3 pieces. And we're going to do that till the end. If there are any pieces that come off like this one did, I'm just going to dab some glue on it like that and put it back on. That happens a lot. It's very easy to fix. This one doesn't have a third one, so I'm going to set this aside and I will show you what I do with this later. Now that we have our magnolia leaves cut apart, now we are going to clean up the grapevine wreath with all the twigs. Okay, if you enjoy wreath making videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Okay, and also I have to mention, have you noticed my background has changed? I love it. If you haven't seen my wreath room makeover video, I posted that last week. If you haven't seen it, go watch it because it's really good. But wait till this video is done because you're going to want to know how to make this wreath. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add in our leaves. So add some glue and add it to the grapevine kind of toward the middle, maybe facing out a little bit. And yes, you can see some grapevine in here. You can cover that up if you like, but to make this wreath larger, I like to add these on the outside and we will address this later. And then the next one will be right after, and it will slightly overlap the first one. And then we're going to continue adding the leaves until the entire wreath is covered. The only downside to this glue is it can take a lot longer to dry, but it's also a lot stronger. Normally you can just stick in a piece of your floral and it will stay put while the glue dries because the way it's secured into the grapevine, but sometimes that doesn't happen, so I just have to hold it there in place until it's dry. So this is what we have so far. And as you can see, it looks pretty good already, but there's a lot of the grapevine showing in the middle. So I'm going to cover that up now. What I do to cover it up is I just take the extra pieces I have and I cut them into singles. And then I just add them into the grapevine in here, one by one. Here it is, our finished magnolia wreath. Isn't it so cute? I love it. And as you saw, it is super easy to make and it just requires a couple materials. If you enjoy my wreath making videos like this one, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. It helps out so much and it lets me know that you are enjoying these and I can make more of them for you. I also have a playlist of wreath making videos if you want to check that out. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!